Next, we're going to add layers to our document. Layers are a really useful feature that are available in many digital graphics applications, including Inkscape. Layers allow you to separate out objects in your document into different groups, and those are your layers. You're completely free to decide how you want to arrange your layers and organize your content, whatever makes sense to you. In this project, we're going to create 3 layers in our document. So first, you want to pull the layers dock up so that you can see what layers are there and then add new layers. So right now you can see that I've got it on the right hand side here of my copy of Inkscape. If you don't see it, you can go up to the layer menu and click on layers, and then that will open up the dock here on the right hand side. You can see that by default Inkscape has already created a layer for us, layer 1. And so the first thing we're going to do is click inside the name, and we're going to rename it template. And so this will be where we put our template file later on in the project. And so next I want to add 2 more layers. So I'll come down to the plus button, and that opens up this dialog box. And so I want to create a layer called body, and I want it to be positioned above the current layer. And so you can see it's added it there, and so then I want 1 more for the shell. And I'll click add. And so now you should see 3 layers in this order. So shell on top, body underneath, and then template underneath that. Note that next to each of these, you've got 2 icons. This icon will hide the contents of the layer if you want to do that for some reason, just to see what objects are in what layer, or to hide objects while you edit another part of your artwork. You can also lock a layer, and so when a layer is locked, you can't move or edit the contents of it, and so we'll use that later on in our template file. But now we've got our layers created and we're ready to go to the next step.